For a long time, the Honda CR-V was the compact SUV of choice because of its practicality, efficiency, and refined interior. Our 2025 10 Best Trucks list includes the most recent CR-V hybrid, which takes that recipe to a new level. It outperforms the non-hybrid CR-V in terms of power and fuel economy, with the sole drawback being a small loss of cargo space caused by the if you're in the market for a practical and fuel-efficient SUV, consider the 2025 Honda CR-V Hybrid. Location of the hybrid battery? The hybrid model's 40 miles per gallon combined is remarkable for a vehicle with this much passenger and cargo room inside, and it comes standard with front-wheel drive. With its 37 miles per gallon combined rating, the all-wheel drive configuration is also quite frugal. The hybrid powertrain is standard on all CR-V models that start with the letter Sport, with 3 different trim levels available in the hybrid CR-V lineup: Sport, Sport L, and Sport Touring. Depending on the trim level and optional features, the price of the 2025 Honda CR-V Hybrid can range from $36,045 to $42,495. With its 2.0-liter inline-4 and 2 electric motors, the CR-V's hybrid powertrain generates 204 horsepower, which is 14 more than the 190 horsepower produced by the non-hybrid version. The blend is pleasant, not fast, but smooth, calm, and fulfilling all the same. Although the Sport Hybrid is available with either front or all-wheel drive, the Sport Touring Hybrid comes standard with all-wheel drive. The CR-V Hybrid may not have the same level of agility as the Mazda CX-50 or Volkswagen Tiguan, but it makes up for it with a comfortable ride and enough attitude to keep things interesting behind the wheel. With the optional towing attachments, the CR-V Hybrid can tow up to 1,000 pounds, 500 pounds less than the non-hybrid model. The CR-V hybrids that get the best gas mileage are the Sport and Sport L variants with front-wheel drive. These trims get 43 miles per gallon in the city and 36 miles per gallon on the interstate. Our real-world 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy route yielded a somewhat lower score of 31 miles per gallon for the all-wheel drive Sport Touring Hybrid, which is rated for 40 miles per gallon city and 34 miles per gallon highway.